Do you have a forklift like that? And do you want to install the new computers in the system? I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. It's very easy. You can make a very good amount of fiat. We have plenty, a lot of them. We were 3 people working here, so as you can see, a lot of them. But you can make a lot of fiat, like I said before. So I'm going to show you step by step. So basically, what you have to do, you have to lift up these, as you can see, and the regular ones over there. You have the seat that is on the way, is the hood that you have to lift it up. The same thing with the Mitsubishi and the Toyota. The orange ones are the Toyota, Mitsubishi is the blue ones. So, or the green ones. So as you can see, this is the Mitsubishi, easy. In order to do that, you have to pull this thing that you see here, and then the seat will go forward. And once the seat is forward, as you can see it right now, you have to lift up the hood. In order to lift up the hood, is sometimes you pull from here. You have like a knob, something that you can push up. And with the Toyotas, they have the same thing. So I'm going to show you here in the other side. Same thing. So you lift it up, and then it will hook it, and then you're going to be able to pull it. And in the case, for instance, with the Mitsubishi, as you can see, the locking mechanism to keep it up is working properly. So that is a good thing. Otherwise, you can do as I did with the Toyota that wasn't working, and I put the box in between. Otherwise, you can put a stick or something, to keep it up. So basically, that is how it works. So here we have the monitor. So all you have to do is you have to hook up the mount that goes there, and then you have to connect it. Here you have the connector. You can unscrew it, and then you can screw it in, and it's very easy. And then you have to run the cable all the way inside, from here all the way until you get the battery. For instance, in this type of forklift, you have on the right, on your left, on the orange ones, you have the battery here, as you can see. So what I did, we use in some cases they have the fuse, as you can see here you have the fuse, and we replace the old connectors, and we put the new connectors as well. For instance, on the Mitsubishi, I have it on my left, and the battery is on the right. So basically we did the same thing. Cables, in some places they have the fuse is already built in. If that doesn't have it, you can add it. So at least in my case, this is what I did. I'm going to show you another one. So then we added this. It's very easy. You buy it, cut it in half, and then you can add it. You can clip it here with the connector and put the other connector over there. Very easy. I'm going to show you a few in my hand. So as you can see, here we have, this is the new connector. You strip the cable, you put it inside, and then you grab the clipper, as you can see here, and then you put it kind of here, and then squeeze it, and that's it. So you do that. So that is for that. And here you have a one that is like a tube, and then you squeeze it in both ends, and that should be good. And then after that, we can use the heat gun. I have the heat gun. I have to do that here. And over there, I've done it already, so that way it will seal all the connector. That should be basically it. It's very easy to do. Have more connectors in my pocket. Here is one of the one that I built. As you can see, you squeeze it here, and the other side is good, and the other side is already crimped. So that is what I did for each one of them, and still have to work a lot more. So tomorrow will be another day, but this is how you can do it. Very easy job, and after that everything should work just fine. To show you how to replace the monitor. So if you have to mount the new one that I have here on the box. So as you can see, my hands are all black already, all dirty. So basically you have to take the foam and everything. So this will be the easiest part. Now I'm going to show you how you have to do this. So as you can see in the back, you have the screws, the holes for the screws. So what we have to do is we have to remove those outlets, those plugs that you see over here. This one is easy, just unscrew it and that's it, and we have to remove those screws. The easiest way will be to turn this knob off to remove it, so that way we can work on a flat surface, and that will be way easier. So I'm going to show you how. First thing, in order to make your life easier, if you can unscrew it almost all the way, so that way you can take it down. Always hold it from here, otherwise it will fall. Okay, now that you have it like that, it's very easy. Just untie this, unscrew it, and it will be loose. And then here we have these two screws that we have to remove as well. And that's it. Once this is gone, all you have to do is push here. Here you have a little locking mechanism. If you push there, you can unplug it, and then just untie it, dangle it from here, and that's it. So now the monitor is completely loose. As you can see, we don't have anything else. Now we can use the impact. So like that, that's it. So you put it on one side. Now you can grab the new one and just put it like that. The little part here goes on top, or you can remove this completely if you want to, just like that. As you can see, we'll put the screw here. So grab it like that, put it like this. So when you can do this, you see, and then you keep it like that, and then you put this on top. Okay, as you can see, you put the employee number, and then you're ready to work. As you can see, you do the same thing with everyone else. But basically, that is all you have to do, and you can earn very, very well in this. And if you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.